Hi everyone, welcome back. I am so excited for today's video because it is a makeup tutorial and I'll be creating this look. I think it's so quintessentially Indian. I love the gold rimmed eyes with the oxidized jewelry, and I also did this entire look just using Indian makeup brands. So I really hope you guys enjoy this, and let's get started. To prep my skin, I am going to use this facial shank with their Kumkumadi Tailam from Arki's Aroma, and I'm using this for the first time. It is so fascinating to me and I definitely enjoyed doing this so much. It is so relaxing. Then I am going to use this illuminating moisturizer from Sugar. Look how beautiful it is. It's very lightweight and it just reflects so much light. It has a slight golden tint, and I'm going to use one of my favorite foundations, and I love using my YBB sponge. It's one of my favorite makeup sponge to blend all of my makeup, and I love the formula and coverage of the K-Beauty foundation. Then for concealer, today I'm going to use this cream concealer from Asa Beauty. I'm just using my finger because I feel like it has the right amount of warmth to blend in this cream concealer, and then I'm going to set it using the K-Beauty banana powder, and I'm using a back powder puff. Then I'm going to take the Sugar Face Forward Contour Stick, and I unfortunately lost the footage, or maybe I didn't film me blending out the contour, but that's where I applied it. For highlighter, I'm using the Nykaa Strobe and Glow and Glaze Bronze. I love this highlighter as well. And then for blush, I'm using this blush palette from MAC, and I'm using it on an upwards motion. And for the eyes, I used this Kiro Beauty eyeshadow stick, just a very random scribble all over my eyes. It's actually very simple. You can even skip this part. And then for the cold rimmed eyes, I'm going to use my Detoxify Define Liner. You just wet it a little and then you swirl your brush around it, and this is what it looks like. It's very pigmented, very long lasting, and you can use them as a liner. You can even use them as an eyeshadow because right before they set, it's in this beautiful state where you can buff it out, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. First, I am drawing out the shape that I wanted today, which is a reverse cat eyeliner. I remember doing this a really long time ago, and for Eid makeup tutorial actually, and I remember loving that look. And then the other day I was going through Painted by Spencer's Instagram, and I saw that he did this, and I was like, oh my god, I have to do this again, but let's put like a nice Indian twist to it. And I'm just using another brush to buff the liner out, and as you can see, I'm not speeding up the process and just showing you exactly what I did to buff the liner out, and it just blends so beautifully, and I love the pigmentation of it. And that's it for the eyes. For mascara, I'm using Max Lash from Lotus, and don't forget to curl your lashes first and then go ahead and apply a good generous layer of mascara both on your upper and lower lashes. I'm even using this to just brush out my eyebrows super quickly. For lipstick, I'm going to use this one from K-Beauty. It's called Suspense. And then to finish up the look, I'm going to spray a nice generous amount of this highlighting spray from Sugar. It sets the makeup and makes it look so dewy. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys loved it. I would love to see your recreations. Please don't forget to tag me if you do recreate this look. And thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!